Yo, talofa and kia ora family. Yeah, someone chef here. Well, this channel and this page is all about food, music, and life. Check this out, family. For the last 20 years, I've been doing a lot of traveling around this planet A. But the first thing you need when you're traveling, yep, your suitcase for your luggage. So my wife bought this from the Kmart in Mount Jordan, Greater Western Sydney. Yeah, Fafikayari, sweet darling. Anyways, but look at this, man. Wow. So, it's got a bottle holder and it's also got a battery bank on it, so you can charge your phone. Anyway, so that's where you put your charging cable, because it's got a battery bank inside. So there's a lot of cool stuff about this suitcase. It comes with keys and all the other accessories. But yeah, so if you wanna get one of these, yeah, get one of these cool lakopaus from Kmart around Australia. And yeah, for at the moment in our area it's all sold out, so you're a bit too late, ngali. But if you want this one, yeah, you can DM me and then you can get it for, yeah, it's not for free. Anyways, safe travel, family. Take care. Follow up. Let's go.